Your home is one of your most significant investments, and making improvements that increase both its value and curb appeal is essential whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enhance its overall look and performance. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is installing new windows. In West Valley City, where weather extremes and energy efficiency are top concerns, replacing old, inefficient windows with modern, energy-efficient ones offers numerous benefits for both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your home. In this article, we'll explore how new windows can dramatically boost your West Valley City home's value and curb appeal and why they are an excellent investment. Enhanced curb appeal. When it comes to the first impression of your home, windows play a crucial role. New windows instantly refresh the exterior of your home, making it look more modern and well-maintained. Whether you have a traditional home or a more contemporary design, there are window styles and materials that can complement any architectural style. Aesthetic variety. New windows come in various shapes, sizes, and styles, such as casement, double-hung, picture, or bay windows. Choosing a window style that aligns with your home's design can enhance its overall appearance and create a harmonious flow between your exterior and interior spaces. Color and finish options. With modern windows, you can choose from a range of colors and finishes to match your home's exterior. Whether you want classic white, sleek black, or natural wood tones, new windows can complement the color palette and materials of your home, boosting its curb appeal. Investing in new windows not only makes your home look more attractive but also ensures that your home stands out in the neighborhood, increasing its visual appeal and marketability. Energy efficiency and cost saving. One of the most important reasons to install new windows in your West Valley City home is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows, especially single-pane windows or those with worn-out seals, can lead to significant energy loss. In a city that experiences both hot summers and cold winters, new, energy-efficient windows are essential for keeping your home comfortable year-round. Lower energy bills. Modern windows are designed with double-pane or triple-pane glass and argon gas insulation, which helps keep indoor temperatures stable by preventing the transfer of heat. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, leading to reduced energy consumption and lower utility bills. Energy-efficient features. Many new windows come with features such as low E-glass coatings, which block harmful UV rays, reduce heat gain in summer, and retain warmth in winter. These energy-efficient windows will not only keep your home more comfortable but also save you money over time. When potential buyers see that your home has energy-efficient windows, they are more likely to view it as an investment that will help them save on future energy costs, making your home more appealing on the market. Increased home value. If you're considering selling your home in West Valley City, new windows are one of the best ways to increase its resale value. Real estate agents often recommend window replacements to homeowners who want to get the highest return on investment when selling their homes. High ROI. New windows can deliver a high return on investment, ROI. According to industry reports, homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the cost of window replacement when they sell their homes. Since buyers are increasingly looking for homes with energy-efficient and low-maintenance features, installing new windows can make your home more desirable and marketable. Appealing to buyers. Buyers tend to view homes with new windows as well-maintained and move-in ready. Replacing old, drafty, or outdated windows will make your home stand out in a competitive real estate market. Additionally, modern windows are often equipped with better security features, which can further enhance your home's value and appeal. Investing in new windows is a smart way to increase your home's resale value, making it an even more attractive option for potential buyers. Improved security and safety. New windows also contribute to your home's security and safety. Modern windows come with advanced locking mechanisms and stronger materials, offering better protection against potential break-ins or accidents. Enhanced security. Double-hung windows and casement windows with multi-point locking systems offer more security than older, traditional windows. Additionally, impact-resistant glass options provide an added layer of protection, especially if you live in an area prone to severe weather conditions. Safety features. Many new windows are designed with safety in mind, featuring child safety locks or easy-to-operate mechanisms that prevent accidental openings. This makes them not only more secure but also safer for families with young children. When you upgrade to modern windows, you're not only enhancing your home's value and curb appeal but also ensuring the safety and security of your home and loved ones. Low maintenance and durability. Older windows often require frequent maintenance, repairs, and even replacements due to issues like rotting, warping, or deteriorating seals. New windows are designed to be low maintenance and built to last, saving you time and money in the long run. Durable materials. Modern windows are made from durable materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, or composite that don't rot, warp, or require constant upkeep like older wooden windows. These materials are resistant to weather, pests, and wear, ensuring that your windows will last for many years without needing constant repairs. Easy to clean. Many modern windows feature tilt and sashes or easy clean glass coatings, making it simple to maintain their appearance. You'll spend less time cleaning and maintaining your windows, allowing you to focus on other home improvement projects. Conclusion. Invest in new windows for your West Valley City home. Installing new windows in your West Valley City home is a smart investment that can boost your home's value, curb appeal, energy efficiency, and security. Whether you're looking to enhance your home's appearance or save on energy bills, new windows provide both practical and aesthetic benefits. By upgrading to modern, energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable living space and increase your home's long-term value. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, reach out to a professional window installation company in West Valley City to explore the wide variety of window styles, materials, and energy-efficient options available. Take the first step toward transforming your home today.